Hi there, Kira here with a Citrus Twist Kits unboxing. This is for the April 2018 kits, and I'm just gonna jump right in. Let's start with the paper. So first off, vellum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. And it's basil vellum, and I've never used basil vellum before, but it's so thick and amazing. I usually just use like the cheapest stuff I can find, which is like at Hobby Lobby, but this is really nice. Sorry, I'm going on a lot about the vellum, but I'm really excited about that. Always get 2 pieces of white textured cardstock. We've got pink paisley from the Pick Me Up collection, paper 19, which I'm so excited about this, you guys. When I was guest designing for pink paisley, I only got the 12 by 12 paper pad, which this paper came in there, but it was gold foiled, which is really cool. But I love the colored frames, so I'm so excited to have this paper. The reverse side is like these little, I don't know, almost like little banners, but I'm obsessed with this side. I'm definitely gonna use this side on a project, probably as a background. From the Crate Paper Here and There collection, this paper is called Traveler. And I love this pattern here, and this would be really nice background paper too. From the Crate Paper Good Vibes collection, this paper is called You Rock. So it's got kind of this, it looks like little washi pieces, geometric pattern on this side, but I really like the black and white there. This one's also from Pink Paisley, from the Pick Me Up collection. This is paper number 2. This paper I did get in the 12 by 12 paper pad, and I believe this paper comes in there too, but I love these flowers. I think they're so perfect for fussy cutting. Sorry if you hear my kids in the background. What's that? Oh, thank you. My kids don't nap anymore, so they're always going to be in the background from like here on out.
I need to get stool. I need to get stool.
What do you need to get stool for? Okay, come here. You want to get up here and do unboxing video with me? We're looking at all Mama's papers. Okay, so from the Flourish collection, Maggie Home Flourish collection, this paper is called Fragrant.
Whoa.
And it's really pretty.
It's a bags. It's a bags.
We'll do that later, okay, bud?
ABC.
We'll do that later too.
Big
This one is also from the Flourish collection, and this paper is called Emma. I really like this side, but that side's pretty too. We're gonna go with blue.
Blue?
Blue, yes. This one is from the Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful collection. It's called Dream On. So we got mermaids and mercats on that side. Yeah, mermaids. And look, little mercats.
Mercats.
Yeah.
Mercats in the room.
You like that one?
Ooh. What pink one? Orange one? A pink one? Pink one.
And then on this side, it's got kind of this cute fishtail pattern. Fish scales.
Oh, it's the Easter bunny eggs.
Oh, it looks like Easter bunny eggs. Yeah, if you put it that way. It does look like Easter bunny eggs. Cute. You're a smart guy.
It's a fish. That's a fish.
It looks like fish this way though, huh?
I'm fishy.
This one is also from the Stay Colorful collection.
Orange. Look, it's oranges.
There's oranges on this side.
Yummy.
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 And then this is a really tiny triangle on this side. And I love this branding strip. What are those?
Ducks.
Ducks, yeah. Cute. All right, now on to the embellishments. So this is our alpha for the month. This one's called Happy Life, and this is from...
ABCs.
Yeah, ABCs. And this one's from the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up collection. So you have blue on this side. And what color is that?
Red and pink and blue and red and green and green and yellow.
And white on this side. Watch out, buddy.
Pink.
From the Pink Fresh Studio, the Mix number 2 collection, we've got these stickers, which are super cute.
Super cute.
Super cute.
Super cute. Oh, for me, For me, Mom. For me.
Buddy, you're kind of in my way here. Keep that stuff right there, okay? Just right there. You're good. Also from the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up collection is these puffy stickers, which I am obsessed with. They have all these cute little tiny icons, which are perfect to add to pages, like finishing touch. From the Stay Colorful collection, we've got the ephemera pack. I'll just hold that up. See those? They're cute, huh? What's on there?
It's me.
A mermaid, what's that?
Whoa, it's me.
What's that?
It's me.
I know that's a mermaid. What's that one?
Hey, it's a unicorn.
A unicorn,
How
yeah.
about, tell him.
And then also from the Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful collection are
What's
these.
that? Oh, so sprinkly.
They're sprinkly, yeah. They are die-cut words that are all sprinkly. They're glitter.
Glitters. Those are glitters.
And they're like white glitter and gold glitter. So those are really cute to use as titles.
Baby.
Baby, stop.
The baby. The baby. Stop.
So that's the main kit. I will just slide on over here. And now on to the embellishment kit. So we get the puffy stickers from the My Mind's Eye Wander collection, which are so stinking cute. I'm obsessed with these little sunglasses and the little camera and the passport. Oh, so cute. From the Schmelbox of Crayons collection is the enamel dots. I love that they're rainbow colored, so you can pretty much use them on anything. And then from the Pinkfresh Studio BU collection are these wooden buttons, which are adorable. Okay, now on to the Pocket Life kit. Oh, I forgot the stamp set for this. Stamp set. So, a stamp set for the Pocket Life kit. And look at the papers first.
It's an ice-cream dragon boat. What's going on there?
Alright, so we've got a couple 4x6 Project Life cards. Oh, I love that one. And my favorite days are days when everyone is happy. Does that ever happen? And then we've got all exclusive papers this month.
Who's driving that? It's an S driving boy. I'm driving back. Come out.
Cute. Oh, I love the bright colors here.
A black cutter. A black cutter. Black cutter.
Mm-hmm. And then the cards for this month. Cute. The alpha this month is gorgeous. Look at this, this ombre, like peach to pink. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessing over that. Super cute. You'll get tiny word stickers. These are just the printout of it, but you will get a tiny word sticker included in yours. Leatherette stickers, which are my favorite. So these are so cute. All these little hearts are perfect. And then you've got all these little phrases down here, and a little scallop and some arrows. Love those. And then some cork pieces. So you've got a little heart that says best. Stay at home kind of day. That's pretty much every day for me. And currently in my cup with a little hot beverage. That's cute. And then the last thing I have to show you is the Traveler's Notebook stamp. So this is Traveler's Notebook stamp. If you haven't checked out, there is this Traveler's Notebook stamp subscription you can get. And I just think this one is so cute. So you'll definitely see me using the burger soon because I have a page I want to make about a new burger place we tried out. But it's like a food stamp this month, which is super fun. And it's got, you know, little like coffee and, you know, that could be pretty much anything, milkshake or a frappuccino or whatever, a glass of wine, a little ice cream cone. So that's really fun. I can't wait to use that. All right, so that's everything I got from Citrus Twist, and I will be doing some process videos showing you everything that I make with these kits. So I will see you soon with another video, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.